promoting technological education in China for 120 years. Located in Tianjin, a city of great tradition, Hebei University of Technology is one of the first institutions in China to nurture advanced technological minds. In step with the rise of Chinese modern national industry, HEBUT has endeavored to promote technological education for Chinese prosperity. Challenging though this aim is, the university has made great strides forward. HEBUT may trace its origin to Beiyang Institute of Technology, founded in 1903, and its school-run factory was the earliest in Chinese universities. The institute was renamed Hebei University of Technology in 1995. In 1996, HEBUT became a key university listed in Project 211. In 2014, Hebei Tianjin and the Ministry of Education of China agreed to co-sponsor HEBUT. HEBUT entered the list of double first-class construction in 2017 and 2022, thus taking on a brand new look as a centennial prestigious university in the Beijing-Tianjin-Hebei region. Toward first-class discipline construction. Over the course of 120 years, HEBUT has developed into a renowned university where the engineering disciplines, as represented by advanced equipment engineering and technology, take the lead and other disciplines thrive in collaboration. Staff committed to academic excellence. Dedicated and talented staff are key to the success of an outstanding university. HEBUT attracts, invests in, and retains the very best staff who are delivering academic excellence. As a result of the Yuan Guang Scholars Program launched in 2017, about 500 well-established academics are conducting their innovative teaching and cutting-edge research at the university. Thriving student cultivation. Since its founding, the university has nurtured nearly 300,000 graduates for China. In recent years, the university has embraced new engineering and aimed at featured courses and programs. Furthermore, quite a few undergraduate programs have obtained national grants in new engineering construction and passed national professional accreditation. Meanwhile, graduate education is being enhanced at a rapid pace. The university is devoted to nurturing skilled, adaptable, and resilient graduates who will certainly thrive and lead in every career they are to pursue. Continued highlights in scientific research. Keeping updated with the development of science and technology, the university addresses regional socioeconomic challenges and has 9 state-level research platforms in operation, including key laboratories co-established by China's Ministry of Education and Hebei Province. Based on double first-class construction, the university has made new breakthroughs in advanced equipment science and technology. In regard to related theories, HEBUT has initiated CTRIS as a technological innovative method with Chinese characteristics. In regard to related framing materials, HEBUT excels in self-passivation planarization technique for ultra-large-scale integrated ULSI circuits under alkaline conditions. In regard to related intelligent perception and system integration, HEBUT has made considerable advances in robot equipment, green chemical equipment, and green building energy supply equipment. Fruitful social service. HEBUT is now enhancing industry-university research collaborations and innovations to meet the technological needs of major regional industries. Up to now, HEBUT has established 10 institutes of industrial technology and made in-depth collaborations with leading enterprises like Huawei and Foxconn. The breakthrough in neutron transmutation doping of CZSI has turned Hebei Jinglong Group into the largest crystalline silicon and solar cell producer in the world. CTST, combined trapezoid spray trade with higher flux and efficiency, has been adopted in China National Petroleum Corporation, Harbin Pharmaceutical Group, and many chemical and pharmaceutical plants, reaping economic benefits of 40 billion Chinese renminbi. Moreover, a smart municipal solid waste processing system, photovoltaic cleaning robots, underwater cleaning robots, and rehabilitation robots for the elderly and disabled have been successfully put into production in the Beijing-Tianjin Hebei region. These HEBUT solutions have considerably helped to boost regional socio-economic growth and the implementation of key national strategies. Win-win international collaboration. With the global vision, HEBUT has collaborations in undergraduate, doctoral, and double-degree education with over 60 partnerships abroad. Arizona College of Technology at Hebei University of Technology and HEBUT Finland campus have gone into operation. HEBUT has also co-established advanced research centers with institutions in the United States, Austria, Singapore, and other countries, thus setting up an international platform for China's Belt and Road Initiative and pooling the wisdom of scholars from all over the world to promote human progress. Commitment to university vision and responsibilities. For over a century, the university's motto, diligence, prudence, integrity, and loyalty, has been well seasoned. Integrating education with engineering practice and social service, as the remarkable university characteristics, has been well tempered. Moreover, promoting technological education for national prosperity has been an everlasting patriotic vision for all the staff and students to hold dear, and it remains unchanged for generations. In the new era, HEBUT will strive to join the regional integration drive and have a real impact on the rejuvenation of China. HEBUT, proud of the past, promising in the future.